Hello everyone, good morning to you. This is a Henry Intelligent Block Machine Company. Because I received a lot of the comments on my videos. There's some customer who bought the block machine from other supplier, but unfortunately, they didn't get any response after sale. If they plan to, to finish the installation or the maintenance, they don't know how to do that. So that's why they try to follow my video and try to get a feedback from me about the maintenance or some, the guide before they install the block machine. So okay, now I try to record a video and give you some introduction for this kind of fully automatic hydraulic block making machine. This one is our wholesale model, QT4-20, the fully automatic hydraulic hollow block machine. Okay, like our company will fill the oil from this here, from this mouse. Yeah, I will open it for you. And also inside there will be the filter, try to protect the engine oil. So, but before we deliver our block machine, we have already filled the engine oil from this mouse, flow by this pipe, and it's go to the vibration box, here. Sorry, yeah. What you can see now, this location here is, we call it a vibration box. So this box will be driven by the electric motor. Will drive it by the vibration motor. So you can get, the machine will get the vibration force to form the blocks. So, and from here I can show you. You can see now. Sorry. You can see here. This pipe. So yeah, you can see this part. This half is the oil. It's oil or indication, the oil level, the engine oil. The quantity level indication. So that means half is okay. So after half year, you have to exchange all of the. You will reduce the engine oil from the vibration box. So you will fill the new engine oil from this mouse and follow this pipe. So we'll go down to the vibration box. So when will you think the oil quantity is enough? That means go to the half. Let me show you clearly. Yeah, you can see. That means the engine oil quantity level will go up to the half of this pipe, of this tube. That's enough. Because if you add more quantity of the oil, that means if the oil is too much, that will so the vibration motor will get difficulty to rolling. Yeah. So that will be the vibration motor. The vibration motor will be very difficult to rolling. Sometimes the motor will get hot, will be overheat. So the engine oil should be at the correct location. Yeah. And also some customer ask me whether, how about this belt. Sometimes when the electric motor rolling, so the vibration box, the downside, this vibration box cannot produce enough force for the vibration. So you can try to adjust the belt tight. What I see now this one is too loose. You can see, if I use my hand to touch, this one is too loose. It's a little loose. So you have to tight the belt. How to tight? You can see here. So you just keep this motor a little far away, right? You just need to adjust the motor a little far away from the machine. So you can adjust this screw You can see now. Yeah, this screw. To make the motor a little far away from the machine, so the belt will be tight, but also at the same time it cannot be too tight. So just use your hand to touch it. It's like this. It's like this one. So the belt cannot be easy to to leave away, to left away from the pulley. That's all right. That's all right. Yeah. And you can see our welding technology is very nice, right? Very nice. Because with a very high vibration force, maybe the mold location is easy to be removed some little. So how to see? That means this one, this reinforcement to the iron hold this templates of the top mold should be very strong. So that's why we use two pieces of the screw caps with the tips, so that will be very strong. Yeah. And just like I tell you, the times you plan to adjust your mold for the vibration, you have to keep, when the mold box touch the pellets. So you have to keep 1 centimeter space between this yellow mold and the machine bottom. Because you know why? You know why? And over here is the vibration spring, right? So if the machine touch the mold box and the vibration platform joined together very well, that means the spring don't have the space for the vibration. You understand? So that means we have to keep 10 millimeter space between the mold box and the platform, so it can get enough space for vibration. Yeah. And also you can see we design the nylon column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So this nylon column will also provide enough space for the vibration force. Yeah. And also you have to keep the pellets approaching or touching the platform, these parts, very well, so that while the vibration, it will get enough force to form the blocks. And you can see we have to remove the screw for the for this hydraulic cylinder with the machine templates, so that will be more easier for us to press down the hydraulic cylinder, so that the block machine can go inside the container easily. And some clients complain the block machine they bought, this column is easy to be broken after maybe 1 year, using. But the first reason is you've got to grease from here to keep this column to be smooth. And also the second reason is maybe the block machine you bought from other supplier don't have the copper, the welding copper inside this column, because we use the the copper inside, so it can protect this column very well, and so the column can last a long time. Yeah. And also the third reason is the yoke column is easy to be wearing and broken, is maybe they don't have this balance keeping. So with this balance keeping, the 4 column can follow down and go up at same level. So it also at the same time it can reduce the wearing force. Yeah, that's all right. That's all the 3 reasons. And also some customer complain the block machine they bought from other supplier, the jacks for the offloading, off molding, cannot lift up the mold box at the same level. Yeah. And what I can see is maybe the reason is maybe the while they design your block machine, it's a design effort. It's a design error. Yep. But you can have a look. Our welder is very careful and very solid, right? And even this channel, this iron steel channel, just like last video I explained for you, is with the heat treatment. So with the heat treatment, this steel channel can last a long time, because every time this pulley will give the pressure, top pressure, to follow this way, follow this channel. If this channel is common steel, so maybe just after 3 months or 6 months, this channel will be broken. But our channel very strong. Last video I explained to you, if you use the common steel to knock it, the common steel will be broken. But this channel is kept same as before. Yeah. Okay. And also some clients don't know how to adjust their parameter setting. Sometimes their hydraulic cylinder cannot go up. That means before you try to use your automatic bearing to operate your block machine, remember, try to make sure all the processing location of your hydraulic cylinder should be at the original location. That means like this pellet feeder hydraulic cylinder. This can, you can look at this iron. This iron have to approach. This iron have to approaching this sensor. So this sensor will be lighting. That means okay, the pellet feeder, the cart here at the original, the zero, from the zero location. Yes. And also for the material, that means sometimes you will find the hydraulic cylinder of the head press cannot go up, it cannot press down. It's because your material cut hydraulic cylinder here, this cylinder, didn't come to the back location, come to the, the original location like this. So this material cut iron, have to approach in here. This one, this location, sensor, you see? What I'm talking about is the sensor location, right? Should be at the back location. That is the original location. And this one is the forward, the front location. Yeah. And also if your block machine, the material cut didn't go to the original location. That means the back location of this sensor. So the mold box cannot go up. That means the mold box will not go up, will not lift up. Even the wiring is automatic wiring, because there's the protection system inside the computer. It can protect processing in case your labor, your workers do the wrong method. Yeah. Okay, all right, my dear friend, that is my introduction work for this particular, and I think this model is a very nice model. It's a very nice model. Okay, thank you so much for your valuable time to watch my video. If you have any video, any comments or any ideas, please leave your comments on my video. I would like to discuss with you. Yep. Bye bye.